Okay, how are you? Let's go on now. Just use this picture, go on. How to make a full version of a varnish. What does full version varnish mean? That is, let's say a whole piece of material is such a big thing. It's such a big piece of material all coated with varnish. The effect we are in this PS now in this picture. Ctrl+O, select all Ctrls plus A. Then create a channel inside spot color channel. Varnish.OK. Now we can see red place. That's where we are going to lay the varnish. Is it full? We're done. Let's save it. Still 33. OK. We open the RIP diagram software. Let's do a rip on the picture we just made. After the rip, we are in the printing software. Open the picture we just made. OK. R. Horizontal and vertical coordinates are still the same. Then the print mode remains unchanged. Then here we choose the mode and choose it as color white light or white ink base is OK. Then remember to change the white ink back. Change to double. Then we will double the varnish we choose to print.